Welcome to EduNex International. We are here to guide you. The UK government has announced a major change in its immigration system. The immigration salary list has now been officially replaced with a new system called the Temporary Shortage List, or TSL. And the most shocking part is that earlier, many jobs were eligible, but now only around 60 critical professions will qualify. This is a massive change. In today's video, we will explain in detail what is the TSL, which jobs are likely to be eligible, how will it affect international students and workers, and what are the important updates for applicants from Pakistan. First, let's understand what the Temporary Shortage List actually is. It's a new system for the UK. Previously, the UK used the Immigration Salary List. This list included jobs where there was a shortage of workers in the UK, making it easier for employers to hire from abroad. Employers could easily sponsor overseas workers, and salary requirements were also relaxed. However, the UK government now wants to control immigration and migration numbers. That is why the Immigration Salary List is being replaced with the TSL. The focus will only be on professions that are genuinely critical for the UK economy. It is about filling the gaps in high demand for the UK economy. So why is the UK government making this change? In recent years, migration numbers in the UK have increased rapidly. International students, dependent visas, and work visas have pushed net migration to record levels. There was growing pressure on the government to act and change the rules, to make the immigration system stricter and more selective. That is why dependent visa rules have been tightened and oversight is increased. Salary thresholds have increased significantly across all sectors, and now the TSL system is being introduced. The UK's goal is no longer quantity, but highly skilled migration for the future. Now, the most important question: which jobs may remain on the TSL? The official final list has not been fully released yet, but according to immigration experts and industry reports, healthcare sector jobs are still expected to remain in strong demand. Likely eligible professions may include nurses and senior care workers and others. Doctors and engineers and other technical roles will remain critical. Construction specialists and tradespeople are vital for national growth. Cybersecurity experts, AI, and software professionals are in high demand. However, low-skilled and general labor roles may be removed from the list. So, if you are planning to move to the UK, career selection has now become more important than ever. For applicants from Pakistan, targeting these high-demand fields is the best strategy. This update is also very important for international students who are planning their futures. If you are planning to study in the UK, you should plan smart and choose well. Carefully consider future sponsorship opportunities while choosing your degree path. Courses related to healthcare, engineering, AI, and technology are the best choices, may offer better future opportunities in the long term. Demand for skilled workers in these sectors is expected to remain strong for the long term. However, graduates of generic courses may face more difficulty. Finding sponsorship under the new TSL 2026 rules will be difficult. Overall, the UK immigration system is becoming more strict and selective for all future applicants. The TSL 2026 means only critical professionals will be prioritized in the system. Proper guidance and smart career planning are now essential for a successful UK move. If you need UK admission guidance, feel free to contact EduNex International today. We offer professional support for university admissions, work visas, and specialized career counseling. Visit our website at www.edunexinternational.com. Email us at info@edunexinternational.com or call our expert team for more information. We are here to help you navigate these changes successfully and achieve your UK goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on UK immigration. If you like this video, please share it with anyone planning a move to the UK. Thank you. Thank you for watching EduNex International. We hope this was helpful. We will see you in the next update. Thank you.